Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select reset now option and select yes and reset your network settings. After doing it, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. In device manager, you just need to expand the network adapter section and right click on where Wi-Fi adapter and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select your driver and select next. After getting update done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select uninstall device and select uninstall. After uninstalling the device, select action tab and select scan for hardware changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.